Hindi aksidente na dadaanan mo to. May good news na paparating tungkol sa puso mo. Una, lumabas ang secrets. Hindi ito negative. Actually, this is a soft reminder. May isang tao na may tinatago pero hindi para saktan ka. More like, mayroong hindi pa nila kayang i-express. Someone is holding back feelings, truths, or intention. Pero hindi ito dark energy. Parang universe is saying what's meant for you will be revealed in divine timing. Kaya, trust the unfolding. Next is settling. December energy mo, hindi ka na papayag sa bare minimum. Ito yung season na marirealize mo ang worth mo. Kaya hindi ka magsasettle sa half love, half effort, and half truth. The universe is pushing you towards to love that matches your value. Kung may new person or current connection, parang nagle-level up ang standards mo in a healthy way. Tapos lumabas ang connection. Ito yung pinakamagandang energy. Love is the bridge connection souls. May someone na genuinely nakaka-connect sa'yo. Emotionally, mentally, and spiritually. Hindi man perfect, pero ramdam na ramdam mo yung sincerity. Isang connection na hindi pilit, hindi minamadali, just naturally flowing. And the overall message, December is opening a new chapter for your love energy. More clarity, more alignment, and more genuine connection. Hindi mo kailangang habulin ng love kasi ikaw mismo ang nahahatak ng tamang tao na tugma sa frequency mo. Kung nararamdaman mo to, claim it with love and good connection.